Welcome to Music Unpacked. Today we're going to talk about the bassoon. I'm joined by Polly Gibbs, who's a fantastic professional bassoon player and teacher and instrument repairer. Thanks for coming on the channel.
Thank you for having me.
Bassoon players like Polly sit with flutes, oboes and clarinets in the middle of the orchestra. You usually play it sitting down because the bassoon, with the word bass in it, is a large instrument and it's actually the lowest instrument in the woodwind family. Can you show us how low it goes? Cool.
Some woodwind instruments like the saxophone and the clarinet have a single reed, like this. But the bassoon and the oboes have what's called a double reed, which looks like this. We call it a double reed because there are two bits of cane that are tied together, and when you blow through it, the vibrations cause a sound. When you put the reed onto the bassoon, it sounds like this. The vibrations travel through this metal pipe, which we call a crook, down the bassoon, round the bottom, up the other side, and through the top. You can actually bend the note a bit using your lips on the reed like this. But you actually change notes similar to oboes, recorders, and clarinets. By putting more fingers down with the help of the keys, it forces the air to go further down the bassoon, making the notes sound lower in pitch, like this.
Bassoons were invented in the Baroque era, which is the 18th century. But as usual, instruments develop over time, and now modern bassoons have some of the most complicated system of keys of any wind instrument. For example, saxophones only have one thumb key, flutes have two thumb keys, and bassoons like this have up to 10 keys just for one thumb. So it's quite a difficult instrument to start with, but is it worth learning?
Oh yes, definitely, it's great fun.
Yeah, be like Polly and learn the bassoon. It's an amazingly versatile instrument. You've heard low notes, but you can also play very high, like this. Its middle range can be rich and mellow, like a tenor singer. It's often used for mysterious and quirky music as well, like this. So Polly, there's kind of a stereotype that bassoon players are slightly quirky, interesting people. Do you think that's true?
I think from the ones I've met, we're certainly a unique breed in the best way.
Yeah, when I've conducted and played in ensembles, I've kind of found that to be true. I think it's because it's quite an unusual instrument. You get unusual players, but in a very friendly, lovely way.
Yeah, I think our personality maybe mimics the characteristics of the bassoon. Yeah, bassoons are cool.
I'll put links below so you can find out more about Polly and her playing and instrument repair shop, so check those out. Maybe we can do some more videos in the future about how to look after the bassoon or how players make their own reeds or something else like that.
Yeah.
If you have any questions or thoughts, then please leave a comment below. You can also help me in the channel by liking, subscribing and sharing. Please do that to help our mission of making music accessible and fun for everyone. Thanks for watching. Polly, can you play us out?
I will.